welcome to the class. In this class we are going to discuss about simple equations, which is the third chapter of 7th class mathematics. See, in your 6th class you have already came to the simple equations like 3m is equals to 10, 2m is equals to 20. See, you have came across the simple equations like this, and you have already studied how to simplify these equations also. See, with this exercise 1, we are going to recall all the things you have already learnt in your 6th class. Exercise 1, first problem. Write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. See, here he gave some equations and we have to write the LHS and RHS of the following equations. See, what is LHS? LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. Okay, here we have 2x is equals to 10. See, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. Here we have to write the equation which is on the left hand side and the right hand side. See, here if you observe, 2x is at my left hand side and 10 is at my right hand side. So LHS is equals to 2x, RHS is equals to 10. Okay, this is the first one. Now second one, here 2x minus 3 is the left side and 9 is the right side. So LHS is equals to 2x minus 3, RHS is equals to 9. Okay, here we have 4z plus 1 is equals to 8. Which is on the left hand side? See, left hand side. 4z plus 1 is the left hand side and 8 is on the right hand side. So LHS is equals to 4z plus 1, RHS is equals to 8. Okay, now fourth one, here we have 5p plus 3 is equals to 2p plus 9. Okay, here 5p plus 3, this is on the left hand side. So LHS is equals to 5p plus 3, RHS is equals to 2p plus 9. Okay, here 14 is on the left hand side, 27 minus 5 is on the right hand side. So LHS is equals to 14, RHS is equals to 27 minus 5. Okay, here 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. Here left hand side is 2a minus 3. So LHS is equals to 2a minus 3. Now RHS is equals to 5. Now seventh one, 7m is equals to 14. So here 7m is on the left hand side. So left hand side LHS is equals to 7m, right hand side RHS is equals to 14. Now last one, 8 is equals to q plus 5. 8 is on the left hand side, q plus 5 is on the right hand side. So LHS is equals to 8, RHS is equals to q plus 5. Okay, this is the solution for the first problem. Now let's move to the second problem. Now we move to the second problem. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. See, here he gave some equations and we have to find the values of the equations, values of the unknown numbers. Okay, see, generally here if we take 2 plus y is equals to 7. See, general solving equation, what we will do? Here on the left hand side 2 is adding. While we move left hand side to right hand side, as it is adding, it will subtract. So y is equals to 7 minus 2. Y is equals to 5. This is a normal way of solving the equation. But here he gave the trial and error method. See, trial and error method means you have to take a value and you have to check whether the equation is correct on the LH side and RH side. So if the equation is true, you are going to stop it and you are going to find the value. If the equation is not true, then you are going to again replace the value. For suppose let's take x plus 2 is equals to 3. See, first let's take x equal to 0. Okay, here on left hand side x plus 2 is equals to 3. On left hand side it is x plus 2. Here x equal to 0. So 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. See, on the left hand side, on the right hand side we have 3. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not true. So x is not 0. So we have to change the value. So let's take 1. So let x equal to 1. Now we substitute on the left hand side. So x plus 2 means 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. LHS is equals to 3. Here on the RH side we have 3. So LHS is equals to RHS. Here the equation is true. So the value of x is 1. So x equal to 1. Okay, we have to take a random number and we have to check whether it is true or not. If it is not true, we are going to change the value and we are going to repeat the process until we get the answer. This is called trial and error method. By using this method, we have to solve the equation. First problem, 2 plus y is equals to 7. Okay, here we have to take y values and we have to substitute in the left hand side. If left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then the value of y is true. So see, let y is equals to 1. Here we have on the LH side 2 plus y means 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Here LH is equals to 3, RHS is equals to 7. So LHS is not equal to RHS, so not true. Now 1 is not the correct value, so we have to change 1. So let y is equals to 2. Okay, here 2 plus y means 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. LHS is equals to 4, but RHS is equals to 7. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let's take y is also y is equal to 2. It is also not true. So let's take y is equals to 3. So let y is equals to 3. 2 plus y means 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Here in the left hand side it is 5. In the right hand side it is 7. So LHS is equals to not RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. This is also not true. Okay. So y equal to 3. This is also not correct. So we have to change 3. So let y is equals to 4. Okay, here 2 plus y. 2 plus y means 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Here LHS is equals to 6. RHS is equals to 7. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. So y is equals to 4 is also not the correct value. So this statement, this equation is also not true. Now let's take let y is equals to 5. Let's take 5. Okay, here 2 plus y means 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, here left hand side it is 7. What is the value in the right hand side? It is also 7. RH side is equals to 7. See, 7 7. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is true. So what is the value of y here? Y is 5. So y is equals to 5. See, here we have first tried with y is equals to 1. We got not true. So we have changed it to 2. It is also not correct. We have repeated the process until we got the true. Until we got left hand and right hand side both are equal. Here for y is equals to 5 we got the true statement. So y is equals to 5. This is the solution for first problem. You can note it down. Now let's move to the second one. A minus 2 is equals to 6. A minus 2 is equals to 6. Here LHS is equals to A minus 2. RHS is equals to 6. Okay, let's start from 1. So let A is equals to 1. Okay, here LHS means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 1. So not true. LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. The value of A equal to 1 is not true. So let A equals to 2. Here 2 minus 2. A minus 2 means A equal to 2. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Here RH side it is 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. Now let A equal to 3. Okay, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So here 1, here 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let's take A equal to 4. Let A equal to 4. A minus 2 means 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Here 2, here 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. So let a equal to 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Here 3, here 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Let a equal to 6. Let a equal to 6. Okay. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Here LHS is 4. RHS is equals to 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. Now let a equal to 7. Okay. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Here 5, here 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. Now 7 is also not true. So let's move to 8. So let a equal to 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Here LHS is 6. RHS is also 6. So LHS is equals to RHS, which is true. Here we got true statement. So what is the value of a here? 8. So a equal to 8 is true. Okay. This is the solution for the second one. You can note it down. Now let's move to 3. Here 5m is equals to 15. 5m is equals to 15. Okay, here LHS is equals to 5m. RHS is equals to 15. Here first we have to substitute m as 1. So let m is equals to 1. So here 5 into m. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. Here RHS is 15, LHS is 5. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not true. Now let m equal to 2. Okay. 5 into 2. 5 into m means m is equals to 2. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Here LHS is 10, RHS is 15. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let m equal to 3. Okay, let m equal to 3. See, 5 into m means m equal to 3. So 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. Here LHS is 15. RHS is also 15. So LHS is equals to RHS. So this is true statement. So m is equals to 3 is the answer. This is the solution for third one. Now let's move. 2n is equals to 14. 2n is equals to 14. Here LHS is equals to 2 into n. RHS is equals to 14. Okay. Here let n equal to 1. Okay. Here 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. LHS is 2, RHS is 15. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not true. Let n equal to 2. Okay. Here 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. LHS is 4, RHS is 14. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let n equal to 3. Okay. Here 2 into n means n equal to 3. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Here 14. So LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let's take n equal to 4. 2 into n. N equal to 4. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Here 8. Here 14. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Let n equal to 5. 2 into n. So 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Here 10, here 14. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Now let n equal to 6. Let n equal to 6. 2 into n means 2 into 6 is equals to 12. Okay. Here 12, here 14. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also not true. Okay. Here 6 is not true statement. So let's take 7. So let n equal to 7. Okay. Here 2 into n. Here n is 7. So 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is equals to 14. Okay. Here 14. Here LHS is 14. RHS is also 14. So LHS is equals to RHS. So this is true statement. So for what value of n we got true statement? N equal to 7. So but for 7 we got the true statement. So what is the value of n? N value is 7. So n equals to 7. This is the solution for fourth problem. Okay, this is we have solved the equations by using trial and error method. This is a lengthy process, but this is called trial and error method. Okay, with this our second problem and exercise 1 is done.